Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking all about necessities for skincare and at-home facials. I am going to show you a few different products that you can use to make your at-home facials exactly what you need and make it feel like you're right at the spa, honey. We're kicking it off with Pur's Daily Care. This is the star of the show here, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. And then we're going to talk a little bit about this mask that I have on. It's a Dead Sea Mud Mask from Majestic Pure. Then we have this lovely, cute little feature here from Caudalie. It is a face moisturizing cream. Everybody needs a good daily moisturizer is what I've learned recently, so we gotta use that. And then we have a little rose hibiscus coconut water to finish everything off, seal it in, keep our skin nice and soft. So let's get right into it. Here's what you need to know. All right. So to start off this process, you want to just kill off any dead skin that you may have using this really great Dead Sea Mud Mask. So this is my first time using it. It says a simply unique formula made with 100% authentic Dead Sea mud, universally known for its highest quality salts and minerals to be effective in restoring a healthy glow to the skin. Okay, so I put this on for 5 minutes. And the next step, it says, is to remove by first rubbing gently in circular motions for overall exfoliation. And then I will go and wash off any excess mask with lukewarm water and then gently pat it dry. Okay, so let's get into rubbing it off. And I made sure to make it nice and thick. And oh, this is making a bit of a mess. Good thing I'm over a table. I've never used a mask like this where you have to rub it off, but it seems I may have needed to leave it on maybe a little longer. So we're taking off the parts that we can, and I'm just really excited because I know a lot of you have asked me for skincare routines, and to be honest, I don't really have any in store. I was blessed with really nice skin, and but it's important that we get these skincare routines in now, you know, while we have this great skin and we have the time to truly learn it and figure out what products work for us. And then when we're older, we can all look like Angela Bassett, right? Okay, who doesn't want that? Wow, I can already see a huge difference just from that. So I will be right back after I wipe this off with the warm water it recommended. Okay, I have just finished patting dry, and I am really loving how it's looking so far. Like, I already see a glow in my skin. It feels really soft. And again, it was the Dead Sea Mud Mask from Majestic Pure, and I, from right now, would recommend it. Like, it's almost immediate, like the different shine that I'm already seeing in my face. So we're off to a good start. Now, let's talk a little bit about this Pur Home Steamer. So this is the packaging it came in, and it is the Nano Steamer. And it is super cute, white and turquoise. It's a 3-in-1 multifunctional iconic facial steamer, and it has exact temperature control, and it also comes with this really great 5-piece facial toolkit. And so this is everything that's inside. I haven't used any of this yet, so I'm really excited to try it out for the first time. So with this product, there are 3 different functions. We have the warm towel function. This functionality is literally exactly what it sounds like. You take a towel, it could be dry or wet, and you put it right over the mouthpiece of the steamer and allow it to warm. And you have a warm towel to set over your face if you're having any puffiness, or you just want that calming feeling of a warm towel. This is your 3-in-1 product that can do that. what we'll be using today is the facial steam, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's for a home facial. It helps open up those pores, gets those little blackheads poking out and those little nasty things poking out. So that's really great. We're gonna use that later. And then finally is the humidifier. If you're feeling a little stuffy and you just want to get some hot air to clear that out, put a towel over your face, put it on that hottest setting of humidifier, boom, you're ready to go. So now that we've seen the product, we've seen the packaging, and we've also heard about the different functionalities, let's go ahead and talk about the setup. So this came in 3 to 4 different parts. This top piece comes right off. You can unlock it and pull it off. And I did that and was able to clean inside of it as the directions mentioned. There's this little piece right here. I don't want to take it out because I already filled it with water. And you just use your little measuring cup. It calls for 120 milliliters. You fill it with some distilled water. You're ready to go. So I have just turned the knob to the facial steamer part, and I'm going to just let this heat up and get nice and hot and get the steam flowing. And then I'm going to use that towel I showed you earlier and get these pores open, get a little relaxation in. Like I said, it calls for about 10 minutes, so we're gonna get right into that. Okay, and in no time at all, the steam has started to come up. You can see that beautiful steam here. It does ask that you stay a certain distance away to avoid any burns, so I'm going to make sure that I do that, but I want to make sure I get the full effect, so I am going to put this little towel over my head, and I will see you guys in 10 minutes. Bye. Guys, look at me. Can y'all see that? I know you see the shirt, okay? This got everything and more, like every pore is every single pore. So I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but your girl can't sit there with all that sweat on her face. Thank God I pulled my hair back. That was the hottest 8 minutes. So it must be on some sort of timer because it immediately like shut off on its own, which I appreciate because I really don't know if I would have made it through the last 2 minutes, guys. I really don't. So pardon, I knew the shirt was not going to be a good idea, but it really isn't. So we have gotten the steamer. We've done our due diligence with that. My face does feel clean. And if you are seeing different things that are poking out or you want them to come out, you can again use this handy dandy toolkit that comes with it and use it to pull out any of the blackheads that you may see. And I will make sure I give another tutorial on exactly how to use each of these. That's some of the mask that I didn't get off. I don't know if it's the mask that had my pores opening up like that or what, but that was crazy, like crazy. Okay, so now that we've gotten that done, we've got our face steamed, I honestly think this is worth the investment. Like this, my skin feels so good, like so good. And since this is my first time I am for pretend, like I know how to use them tools. We'll do another video on that. Okay, we're tackling one thing at a time. So this is the inside of that moisturizer I showed you at the beginning of the video from Caudalie, Paris. It says Vinosource. This one tells you to apply morning, evening to face and neck, either by itself or with a serum. So we're gonna do this first, and then we're gonna add the face serum after. So I personally highly recommend it. This retails for about $30 on Amazon, and it's on Amazon Prime. I would look out for any Black Friday deals, and I would treat myself. You know, I believe in getting myself Christmas gifts. I think you guys should too. Or it'll be a great gift for someone else. Like, wow. Oh my gosh. Underneath it, I ain't gonna lie, it was hot. I don't think I've ever gotten a real facial. So that was my first like true, well, not my first true facial, but my first at-home facial for sure. Cause like I said, I don't really have skin care routine, and it feels right. It feels great. You see these cheekbones? Okay, they're glowing. They're moving. Next, I'm going to just use this bit of serum. We're gonna give our face a little spray. To the top of the neck too, since everyone keeps telling us that's important. And that's it. I am not going to lie, I feel a lot more relaxed. I feel really, really good. And though my Girl Beats World shirt may be ruined, it's all right. It was totally worth it. So I give the Pure Daily Care Nano Steamer 3 Girl Beats Worlds. Yes, I highly recommend it. I think you guys should go off and purchase this online. As I said, I've seen it retailing for about $31, so it's an affordable product. I will show the retail prices for the rest of the mud mask, the serum, as well as the moisturizer in the comments below. Speaking of the comments below, please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that little notification bell so you're notified every time I have a new video. That's it. Thanks, girlies.